Appreciate you joining us here on Valley News Live as we approach 6:10. Our weather tonight is pretty delightful. It is on the cool side, particularly off to the east, but right now at Hector, 67 on the thermometer. Our wind from time to time here this evening still gusting to around 20 miles per hour, so keep that in mind if you're heading out to cheer on the local team playing football in Moorhead right now. 70 gorgeous degrees, and we do have a few areas that are near that 70-degree mark where you see the orange colors. That includes down near Aberdeen where it's in the mid-70s. But low 60s for Babe the Blue Ox, 62 in Bemidji, 66 Hallock and in Grand Forks. If you're heading out to the concert tonight, the wind looks to be settling down as well. Now, we've been talking about some mighty warm temperatures this weekend, but when we look at the tail of the tape, we're over 400 to 600 miles away from any core of warm air tonight. But it will arrive thanks to some pretty gusty winds that we'll be contending with. For tonight, the gusty winds are settling down. We have a few high clouds passing overhead. We have to look all the way off to the east. We see a line of showers with the cold front that brought the cool blob into our area, and we've had the northwest winds all day behind that system. That's going to change tonight. Out to the west, we have southerly winds that will be pushing in. Once we get those south winds, the temperatures will start taking a turn for a warmer direction. This evening, clearing skies, a decreasing wind. And when we head to bed with clear skies and calm winds, that means we can get pretty cold, particularly when the air is as dry as the air we have over us tonight. But the fact that the wind is going to pick up through the overnight hours, and by morning, we'll have some 15 mile per hour to 20 mile per hour winds out of the south, keeping us from getting too cold. Where it's calmest and clearest, the longest in central Minnesota, we'll see a few of you very close to 40 degrees. The rest of us 45 to 50 to start out our weekend and start out our Saturday. Mid-morning, wind increases, as do the temperatures. We'll see a lot of sunshine, and by the midday hours and right through the afternoon and right into the evening, we'll have gusts approaching 40 miles per hour. Look at these temperatures where you see the dark reds, a chance at some 80-degree weather. Otherwise, a lot of upper 70s for eastern North Dakota and a lot of low to mid-70s in the Red River Valley and in Lakes Country. And if you are heading out to Lakes Country, it does look like the winds will be there, just not quite as strong thanks to those trees. Tomorrow evening will remain breezy, and that means a mild start on Sunday. Take a look at this. Tomorrow morning in Fargo, 7:08, the time of sunrise. 50 is where we start out, on our way up to the mid and upper 70s for the better part of several hours. And look at this, even late at night after sunset, we stay in those 70s because the wind will continue to churn up a warm atmosphere all evening long. Your hometown forecast, 75 to 80 in our western counties and 70 to 75 for our eastern counties. Quite a bit of sun, a lot of wind as well. Remember, 40 mile per hour gusts will be a little on the loony side. Sherry sharing this photo of a couple swimmers out there having some fun. Temperatures on the Sunday. There we go. We really warm things up, mid 80s to near 90 for some in the far south. Late in the day, cold front moves through. We're talking about overnight. Most of our rain chances come on Monday, and we could have scattered showers of rain throughout your Monday that add up to over 1/4 of an inch for many locations. It'll be our best chance of rain in the upcoming 7 days, the way it looks, because we go back to dry weather. Sunday morning, look at that temperature, 70. Midweek, we're going to see some temperatures that'll be close to those upper 30s here in Fargo, and it will likely be that cool up in our northern and eastern counties as we head deeper into the season of autumn.
It's going to feel fall-like.
That will feel fall-like,
not ready.
Yes. But not this weekend. Get out there and use hairspray and have some fun.
Thanks, Edge.
You bet.